Hi, I got my Trendsend in, so I'm gonna unbox it. I've been really looking forward to getting it again. It's been about a year as well. In addition to stopping Stitch Fix for a while, I had stopped getting all subscription boxes and any kind of beauty boxes or fashion boxes. So I'm sure we'll have lots of baby and toddler background noise. So hope that doesn't bother anyone, but I've been looking forward to it. It's a standard Trendsend box. I've just cut the tape open. It's got a little information packet with an insert. It says, "Hello Sunshine, ready for your closet upgrade," and my stylist was Erin. It's got all the details, but I don't want to spoil it, so let's see. We've got 2 outfits, one with 2 items and one with 4 items. I've normally gotten 3 outfit boxes, but it's 6 items in total, so I think wow. This bundle is, it's 2 bundles. This must be the second outfit with 4 items. Something's popping out. Let's see, this says Play More. Now Trendsend is associated with Evereve. I really get excited usually by it because when they have sale prices, you get to have them at the sale price, by the markdown price, and you can also check their website in case anything is marked down, from between the time they send it out to you and when you receive it. And they tend to have what I consider a little more edgy, cool girl clothes, so I look forward to having a little more of an expanded option range offered to me. So this is the first outfit. So let's see what kind of colors we have here. Sort of a pumpkin rust color and navy. These are not colors I would have picked for myself, but I may like them, and I'm going to keep an open mind. It's horizontal stripes, my favorite. But anyway, it's so soft. It really is pretty. If I can overcome my aversion to orange and horizontal stripes, this might be worth looking at. Let's see. This is Peyton Jensen. It says brown and white. Looks sort of like a rust or a pumpkin color. Brown and white tucker striped tunic, and it is super soft. It looks like a banded bottom, but it's not. It's more like a sort of a faux shirt tail hem. Looks nice and roomy. Oh my goodness! I thought this was navy, but it's not. It's a camo, kind of like a casual jogger. Oh, these are cute. They look a little big, but maybe I can, well, they may fit just fine. I'll have to see. These are they're made from Tencel. Level 99. Let's see. I'm not sure, but they're level 99. Oh, here it is. Level 99 Midnight Camo Gabrielle Jogger. But they are, I'm not sure, the light's a little dim in here, but it's a very subtle camo. I think you can cut, it's called Midnight Camo, so I guess that's why it's so dark, but it's got a very nice elastic waistband and elastic cuffs at the ankles, so these look like they might be really cute. Oh, this is different. Oh, she has it, the shirt inside of the jacket, unless it's all one piece, but I don't think so. See, it's like a light thermal hoodie and a bomber. The bomber's like a sort of a, I'm not sure if it's like a heavy satiny, probably says in the description, bomber. cute snap pockets, lots of zippers. I'm not usually an animal print fan, but this is different. I like this. I like the color. I think that might be it. Usually most, it's probably TMI, usually most cheetah or leopard prints, even polka dots, I've always had a sort of an aversion to. I think it's because I'm extremely freckly and it's just like seemed like my pattern only amplified, so just never really liked it. But this is cute. It's got gold zippers, and then inside, yeah, she's got this. Oh, this is, wow, this is nice. Light pullover hoodie in like a waffle thermal texture, just a gray, heathered gray. It's really cute. Let's see if I have a tag in it. Oh, it's Chaser. That's why it's so soft. Let's see, Chaser, gray thermal pullover hoodie. It's really soft. The spot sort of catching on my hair, and zip this back up. This is, I don't know if it's cheerleader. Looks like cheerleader without the vowels involved. So cheerleader, green and black, animal bomber jacket. Yeah. Then, oh, this is a cute sweater. Again, not some colors I wouldn't necessarily go. This looks kind of retro. It reminds me of sort of a 70s color scheme. This is all heathered, different knits, patchworked together, color block. Peyton Jensen, navy gray and gold Thayer diagonal pullover. So that's really cute. Very soft. It feels kind of lightweight, which is nice. And then this is the cut from the cloth pair of distressed jeans, Catherine boyfriend jeans in the color Commit. Now I know I have from my first ever Stitch Fix, I'd gotten some Catherine boyfriend jeans. They aren't this finished, but those are quite big, and these are 12. So I know. I usually size down at least one size in cut from the cloth, but I'll have to try these on and see how they fit. I'm not sure if I even need a pair of boyfriend jeans, but I'll try it on together and see how I like everything. But I do like the wash and the weight of them. It doesn't feel overly stretchy from the outside, so we'll try it on and see how it all looks. Alright, I'll try them on in reverse order. I have the Catherine boyfriend jeans on. Probably fold them up a little bit more. I do like the wash, and they fit really well. They don't seem overly stretchy. I'm not sure if they would stretch out during the day, so I may wear them around for a bit and see if I need to size down if I decide to keep them. And then this is the Peyton Jensen pullover, and it's a little big. I could probably size down in this too, but I kind of am digging the long sleeves and the color block. I would have never stopped to look at this, but I think it's pretty cute. I like it, and it's super cozy and lightweight. And I think the interest of the color block, the way it's laid out, is really cute too. So I will try on a different top with these jeans and be right back. Here's the Chaser thermal hooded top. The hood is rather heavy. It sort of feels like it's pulling me backwards, but everything's so soft, and it is quite large, so I could probably size down in it, although I'm not Not sure if oversized isn't the point. This would actually be cute at this length with leggings. And it's super light. Like the sleeves. I know a lot of people hate long sleeves. But if this had thumb holes, it would be perfect. But this is what I love in the cold weather is long sleeves. So it's really cute and soft. I like the color and it's really casual. So we'll see. Got some cute details and the fabric is nice. It's cozy. Let's see how it zips up. Fits well. Super casual. I like it. I'm not sure I need a jacket or a bomber, but this is something a little different, something special. It would go great with my nearly all black wardrobe in the fall and winter months. And then it's got some special details on it, so I like it. I like the fabric too. It's got these pockets. Perfect. I like it. Alright, here is the sort of, they call it brown. Oh, Discovery. Oh my gosh. Are they trying to convert me to liking horizontal stripes and pumpkin colors? I can't resist thumb holes. Okay. But actually this isn't, I don't know. It's not really, it is sort of widening me quite a bit, but it is oversized as well. I could probably size down or just keep it for, as I keep repeating, casual wear. And I probably wouldn't have ever thought to pair them with these midnight camo pants. She suggested doing a like front tuck situation in here, but this isn't a little big for that. I think it's just adding more bulk, but the pants are super comfortable, cute fabric, not sure. They're plenty roomy, but they fit like joggers, so I'm not sure if I wouldn't just keep them at this size. I think they're really cute. Have little gathered ankles and drawstring and nice pockets, but I'm really liking the thumb holes. Oh my goodness. All right, I have some thinking to do because I know the prices are going to be quite high, and I don't think there's any sort of discount for buying more. Oh. Why did you have to be striped? I'll think about it. I decided to keep the midnight camo pants on and pair it back up with a solid top, which I would have probably chosen black or a darker charcoal, but it goes well. The heathered gray is a neutral, but this is super cozy. It's like pajamas, but socially acceptable to wear in public, so this may be a keeper. Why couldn't you have thumb holes? Why? All right, let me think about it. Another thing I didn't realize had changed in the last year since I got a Trendsend is that they no longer have just the $1 styling fee. They have a $20 styling fee, so I'm sure that goes towards anything we purchase. These joggers by Level 99 are $128. I really like them. I don't $128 like them. So that is going to be a negative. Let's see, the Peyton Jensen striped tunic. This is $68. Horizontal stripes, great, soft, great, but I don't think it's worth, it's not a $68 value to me. I'm sure it's great for someone else, and I will have to double check all these prices online because they may have dropped since then. So this is the thermal pullover hoodie by Chaser, $79 again, super expensive. So I think I'll have to, if I do this again, I'll have to request budget-friendly options. The Catherine boyfriend jeans from Cut from the Cloth are $89, which is about par for the course for this one. Those are great quality, but I don't know if I need another pair of the boyfriend cut jeans, since I do already have a pair. I think the animal print bomber is $118, which for outerwear isn't really bad. $118, which it's nice quality, and it's lined and it's well made. It's just, I don't know if I need this. And then the last is the diagonal pullover by Peyton Jensen, and this is also $68. So regardless, if I apply $20, the least expensive options are going to be this or the horizontal stripe with the thumb holes. I could get those for $48, or the thermal pullover is $79, and so I'd get it for $59, but that still seems quite high to me. So I have to do some thinking. It might just be more worthwhile to forego the $20 styling fee and leave some feedback and decide whether this is really worthwhile for me. It might be better for me to just do it occasionally and just go on Evereve's website and select things myself. But I do like trying it on. It was much better for me as far as just branching out or trying new things out when it was $1 to try things. And I understand that that might not be sustainable for them. I may not end up keeping any of this, so